लख पाक नबियां दा अनमोल प्यार दी दौलत ये एक उकबा दा सामान जम ई प्यार दी खातिर अर्श बने।
Hello, welcome and assalamu alaikum. Me Akram Mehrvi. Today I visit you a famous shrine in our area. In subcontinent, Islam separate due to Awliya Karam. There are many shrines in South Punjab, Pakistan. Hazrat Sultan Ayoub Qatal Rahmatullah Alayh is also one of them. His shrine is situated 8 km east from Duniapur city, district Lodhra, South Punjab, Pakistan. He was born on 1225 AD at Makhdoom Rashid, the village of Multan. He was son of Makhdoom Abu Bakr Rahmatullah Alayh, and his grandfather name was Makhdoom Abdur Rashid Haqqani. About 800 years ago, he migrated from Multan to this area and teach the people love, peace, the basic rule of Islam. Many spiritual stories are famous about his life. Hundreds of people visited shrine to daily basis. Small stalls of different things is also in the lawn. A beautiful white color of tomb on the grave. Let's go and visit inside the shrine. A local singer perform Qawwali here. A beautiful red color flower of chadar was covered by the grave. The wall of shrine decorated with beautiful painting, Persian poetry and Quranic verses written in different found on the wall of shrine. Light water breaks are used. Its constructions is similar as the shrine at Qala Kohna Qasim Bagh, Multan. The annual Urs ceremony was held on the 31st of March every year. On the day of Urs, there is a local holiday in all over district. People far and near areas also came at Urs. They enjoy different entertainment things. These shrines are helped the promoting local culture and old heritage. We hope you are enjoyed this informative video. I special thank for Khadim Hussain Malik, who fully supported and helped to preparing this video. Akram Mehrvi thanked for you. Goodbye, take care, and Allah Hafiz. See you next video. Goodbye.